Hello, let's welcome Chinese tutoring. Let's learn exercise 1.2 from chapter 1 addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's read the first question. Multiply the following pairs of numbers. A question is 150 into 5. So we just multiply 15 and 5. So 15 into 5 is 75. We have to add the 0 at last. So the answer is 750. B question. 14 into 70. Thus we are multiplying the number alone. 14 into 7 is 98. We have to add the 0 last. Its answer is 980. C question is 16 into 40. So 16 into 4. We have to multiply only the number. It's a 64. Again we have to add the 0 to the end of this number. So answer is 640. D question is 130 into 50. Thus we multiply 13 into 5 is equals to 65. We have two zeros. So at last we have to add two zeros to the end of this number. So the answer is 6500. The question is 12 into 30. So just we multiply the numbers first. 12 into 3 is equals to 36. We have one zero that we have to add to the end of the number. So the answer is 360. Let's sum 180 into 7. Just multiply the numbers. 18 into 7 is equals to 126. So we have one zero. That zero we have to add to the end of the number. So the answer is 1260. Now, question 90 into 16. Just multiply 9 into 16. The answer is 144. So the 0 we have to add to the end of the number. So the answer is 1440. HSM 70 into 330. Now just multiply the numbers. 7 into 33 is equals to 231. Now we have two zeros. So we have to add these two zeros to the end of the number. So the answer is 23,100. I sum 24 into 60. Just we multiply the numbers first. 24 into 6 is equals to 144. We have to add the 0 to the end of this number. So the answer is 1440. J sum 160 into 8. We multiply the numbers first. 16 into 8 is equals to 128. So we have to add the 0 to the end of this number. So the answer is 1280. K sum 2700 into 7. What we have to do? We have to multiply just the number first. 27 into 7 is equals to 189. How many zeros we have here? Two zeros. What we have to do? We have to add these two zeros at the end of the number. So the answer is 18,900. LSUM 240 into 90. So first what we have to do? We should multiply the numbers. 24 into 9 is equals to 216. How many zeros we have? Two zeros. We have to add to the end of the number. So answer is 21,600. Second question. Divide the following pairs of numbers. A question is 124 divided by 4. Now look at the first number. It's a 1. We can't divide 1 by 4. So what we have to do? We are just taking the first two digit numbers. That is 1. Now what we have to check? How many 4s makes 12? That is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Now 12 minus 12 is 0. Now what is our next number? It's 4. We have to bring down the 4. Now how many 4s makes 4? It's 1. So 4 times 1 equals to 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So now our quotient is 31. Remainder is 0. B question is 168 divided by 8. Now look at the first number. It's a 1. It's smaller than 8. We can't divide 1 by 8. So we are taking the first two digit numbers. That is 16. Now we have to check how many 8s make 16. It's 2. 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. Now what is our next number? It's 8. We have to bring down the 8. Now how many 8s makes this 8? That is 1. 8 times 1 is 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Now quotient is 21. Remainder is 0. C question is 2400 divided by 6. Plus we take the numbers. Okay, so 24 we are going to divide by 6. How many 6 makes 24? It's a 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. So 24 minus 24 is 0. Now how many zeros we have here? 2 zeros. Just we add these 2 zeros in the quotient. So quotient is equals to 400. Remainder equals to 0. D sum is 320 divided by 80. Here 0 and 0 we get cancelled. So the number is 32 divided by 8. How many 8s makes 32? It's 4. So 8 times 4 equals to 32. 32 minus 32 is equals to 0. So the quotient is 4. Remainder is 0. E sum is 4900 divided by 70. First we divide 49 by 7. How many 7s makes 49? 7. So 7 times 7 is 49. 49 minus 49 is 0. Now look at the zeros now. Cancel 1 zeros. Now that is 1 0 is a remaining. So we have to add that 0 to our answer. So what is our quotient now? 70. Remainder is 0. F sum is 560 divided by 8. Now we do 56 by 8 first. How many 8s makes 56? It's 7. So 8 times 7 is equals to 56. 56 minus 56 equals to 0. Now we have 1 0 is left. Just add the 0 to our answer. Now quotient is 70. Remainder is 0. G sum is 440 divided by 44. First we divide 44 by 44. How many 44 makes 44? It's a 1. So 44 into 1 equals to 44. So 44 minus 44 is equals to 0. Again 1 0 is left. So we have to add that 0 to our answer. Q is equals to 10. That means quotient is 10. Remainder is 0. The sum is 3600 divided by 60. First we do 36 by 6. How many 6 makes 36? 6. So 6 times 6 equals to 36. Now 36 minus 36 equals to 0. Now we have to cancel 1 zeros. So there is 1 0 is left. We have to add that 0 to our answer. Quotient is 60. Remainder is 0. I sum is 4800 divided by 80. First we do 48 divided by 8. How many 8s makes 48? Is 6. 8 times 6 is 48. So 48 minus 48 is equals to 0. Now let's look at the zeros now. So cancel 1 zeros. Now there is 1 0 is left. We have to add that 0 to our quotient. So quotient is equals to 60. Remainder is 0. Question: a child buys 5 packets of sweets, each containing 80 sweets. How many sweets does he buy in total? Now each packet contains how many sweets? It's 80 sweets. How can we write this as a statement? One packet equals to 80 sweets. Now what we have to find it? We have to find how many sweets contains in 5 packets. So 5 packets is equals to 5 into 80. So 5 into 8 is a 40. Just add the 0 to this answer. So the answer is 400. Fourth question. A bar of chocolate is made of square-shaped pieces. The bar is 4 pieces wide and 12 pieces long. Amir needs 336 pieces to make some chocolate cakes. How many bars should he buy? First, we need to find out how many square pieces are in one chocolate bar. For that, we need to find out the area of a bar of a chocolate. Here, a bar of a chocolate which is in rectangle shape. Now, area of a rectangle equals to L into B square units. So, here our L is 12, our B is 4. So, 12 into 4 equals to 48 square pieces. Amir needs 336 pieces to make some chocolate cakes. So that means we have to divide 336 by 48. How many 48 fit into 336, which is equals to 7. 48 into 7 equals to 336. That means that 336 pieces, which is equals to 7 bars. First question. A tricycle is like a bicycle but with 3 wheels. A shop has a stock of 19 tricycles and 112 bicycles. How many wheels are there in total? Now, each tricycle contains 3 wheels. How can we write this as a statement? One tricycle equals 3 wheels. Therefore, 19 tricycles equals to 19 into 3, which is equals to 57 wheels. Now, each bicycle contains 2 wheels. Therefore, 112 bicycles equals to 112 into 2, which is equals to 224 wheels. Let's find the total now. Total equals to 57 plus 224, which is equals to 281. So how many wheels are there in total? That is 281 wheels. Sixth question. For a school concert, 360 chairs are arranged in rows of 20. How many rows are there? Now, what is given? 20 chairs are arranged in each row. We have to write this as a statement. 20 chairs equals to 1 row. Now, what is the question? How many rows are there to arrange 360 chairs? So, 360 we have to divide by 20. Cancel the zeros now. So, 36 by 2. How many 2's makes 36? That is 18. So therefore, 18 rows are there to arrange 360 chairs. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.